Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to do a monolid eyeshadow that's a little bit sultry and a little bit spicy. So I already prepped Kitty's face with Pro Filter foundation in 250, did a little matchstick, some blush, some contour, and now I'm gonna get straight into her eye. I'm gonna take our eye and lip crayon, and this is the color Pretty Penny. And I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna directly apply on her eyes. And I'm kind of just following her eye shape and bringing it out just a little bit. So now I'm going to be taking the color Sunfrost, and I'm actually going to go right above Pretty Penny, and it's just going to give more dimension, and it's also going to be a cool blend out color too. Using our eyeshadow brush, just blend out. And I'm going to take a little bit more of my Sunfrost and just add just a little bit more on the inner corners. And then blend. Kind of blend and smudge. So now it has more of like a smoky effect. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Spice Trip and I'm gonna apply it right on the crease because this is gonna give the eye the 3-dimension. Then I'm gonna take a flat all over eyeshadow brush and I'm gonna blend that out. So normally when you see eyeshadow application, you'll notice that it'll be like light color, medium tone, and then dark. So for a monolid, I like to do more of a slightly darker tone right at the lash line, your medium color, and then your darker tone in the middle. So that way you're giving that 3-dimension that the eye actually needs. So now I'm gonna do the other eye. Now I'm going to take a little bit of quicksand, and I'm just gonna run it right underneath the lash line. So now we're gonna do a little bit of eyeliner. I'm gonna take a little bit of Hennessy and I'm gonna use it on an angled brush. And I'm just gonna line right on her lash line. Hennessy is the perfect eyeshadow color to use as eyeliner because it's not black, so you're not gonna get that harshness. It's really dark and dense, so you're still gonna get that payoff that you want. So I just finished Kitty's eyes. I added a little false lash and a little bit of a nude eyeliner in the waterline to open up and brighten up her eyes. And now I'm gonna do lip. I'm gonna keep it simple but pretty with a little bit of matchsticks in Yacht Life. I'm gonna take it and I'm just gonna directly run it on the lips. To give it a little more of a glossy effect, I'm gonna be using Gloss Bomb in Diamond Milk. And I'm just gonna apply this right on top to give it a beautiful glow. I hope you guys enjoyed my Monolid Smoky Eyeshadow tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to @Fenty Beauty.